Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a pivot table in Excel. A pivot table is a powerful Excel feature that helps you summarize, analyze, and organize large data sets quickly. It allows you to see patterns, totals, and comparisons without manually calculating everything. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure your data is well organized. Your data should have clear column headers, and there should be no completely empty rows or columns in the data set. Next, click anywhere inside your data range, go to the Insert tab, and click on Pivot Table. Choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed, either in a new worksheet or an existing one. Select New Worksheet and click OK. As you can see, a pivot table has been successfully created. On the right side, you will see the Pivot Table Fields panel. Drag fields into the rows, columns, values, or filters areas to customize how your data is displayed. Excel will instantly update the pivot table as you make changes. For example, drag the salesperson field into rows and revenue into values. The data will be displayed in the pivot table, showing who generated the most revenue. You will also see the grand total of all revenues. You can rearrange fields, change calculations, or apply filters to get different insights from the same data. That's it. We've learned what a pivot table is, how to create one in Excel, and how to customize it using the Pivot Table Fields panel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.